When I looked into his eyes, I saw myself reflecting. I was his life enhancer, his graceful flamenco dancer. And then when I looked again, years later, I was plain and boring. What happened to that magic necromancer? What made the mirror shine then dim? What made my imagery change within? The rain falls upon the cloudy pane. How the scenery races backwards. Reflections of a window on a train. I was the queen to his king, his slave unpaid, and the mother of his child. Yet somewhere my truth lay bare and open in between. And how he saw me was how I saw me. Oh, and I remember now, the mirror became a little broken. There is a distance that can't be reached, not with nostalgia, nor by traveling miles. There are memories, and every one is like a mirror, held up for us to see. Now I remember everything, and everything comes bouncing back of who I used to be. I wonder if the way I lived protected me from loss, but also gain. How silly when I think I used to be so scared to ride inside this train. I never thought I'd leave this town, but now I'm on my way, and everything seems clearer in my sight. I see past all the stations, beyond the tracks, and the mirror that has held me in its gaze is cracking. I only hope I got it right. The rain runs down the cloudy pane. How the scenery races backwards. Reflections of a window on a train.